Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I am going to show you how to play game on Instagram. First is you have to open your Instagram application and then make sure that you have logged in to your Instagram account. And now that you're here, just click on this messenger icon at the top right-hand corner of your screen and then select a specific conversation. So, for example, this one, and then click on the message box right here, and then when you clicked on it, make sure to go to your emojis section. All right, here you just have to select any emoji that you want to use and play the game. So for example, I'm going to use the heart one. So I'm going to delete this emoji and change this to heart. And then after that, just click on the send button. Then once the emoji has been sent, just have to click on the emoji. Okay, and then as you can see, you can now play the game on Instagram. And if you cannot access this feature on Instagram, the thing that you can do is you have to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. Okay, so you just have to go to your Play Store, and then using the search bar at the top is you just have to type out Instagram. And then once you see an option where it says update, so you just have to click on it to download the latest version of the application, and then just have to delete the background apps, and then just have to go to Instagram once again and then try to play the game. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.